Hey guys, I'm Eric and today we'll look at two very special chassis, the DK-01 and the DK-02. Constructed of aluminum, these two hybrid chassis allow a DIY builder to build a full computer inside of a desk and then show it off with tempered glass. Let's check them out now. At 90 centimeters long, the DK-01 supports a single system, while at 125 centimeters long, the DK-02 supports two systems. On the left side of the DK-01, we can see that we have our slim optical drive bay. As we move to the right, we have 4 USB 3.0 ports, HD audio connections, our power button, as well as a lock. Below that, we have our keyboard tray, which can be adjusted to 2 different heights. Off to the side, we have our pocket, which can be moved to the left or right side. We can access the inside of the chassis by either opening the drawer or removing the tempered glass. Inside the DK-01, we've mounted the main components to get an idea of hardware compatibility. Motherboards up to HPTX in size are supported, as well as the largest graphics cards. Off to the left is where our power supply sits on rails, and the far left of the DK-01, we have 10 individually movable hard drive bays. Each bay can hold a 3.5-inch or a 2.5-inch drive. In the slim optical drive bay, a 2.5-inch drive can be mounted. The DK-01 comes with 7 120mm fans. 3 on the right, 3 on the left, and 1 on the rear. On each side is a removable filter. At the front of the DK-01 is a removable bracket with filters. The bracket can hold up to 3 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator, which we have done for this build. All vents are at the bottom of the chassis and the rear of the chassis. Additionally, there's lots of space between the end of the drawer and the rear of the chassis for cables and connections. Since the DK-02 is a dual system chassis, both the left and right side have 4 USB 3.0 ports, HD audio connections, and a power button. The right side, however, has a lock, while the left side has a slim optical drive bay. Similar to the DK-01, there's an adjustable keyboard tray and a side pocket. Now let's take a closer look inside the DK-02. On the right side is where we can install our larger system. Boards up to HPTX in size are supported, as well as the largest graphics cards. On the right side is where we have 9 individually movable hard drive bays. Each one of these bays can support a 3.5 or a 2.5-inch drive, similar to the DK-01. On the left side is where we install our mini ITX system. Again, the largest graphics cards are supported. Also similar to the right side and the DK-01, 8 individually movable hard drive bays can both support a 3.5 and a 2.5-inch drive. The power supplies sit near the middle of the case. The DK-02 comes with 8 120mm fans, 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side, and 2 in the rear. Each side also has large removable filters. The front of the DK-02 has 2 removable brackets with filters. Each bracket can hold 2 120mm fans or a 240mm radiator. Ventilation and rear compartment spacing are similar to the DK-01. Both the DK-01 and the DK-02 can support up to 3 monitor mounts. Also, thanks to height adjustable feet, the height can be adjusted anywhere between 805mm to 835mm. Thanks a lot guys for watching. If you would like to learn more about these chassis or any other LIAN li chassis, please do check out the website, which is www.lian-li.com, as well as check out the Facebook page, which is facebook.com/LianLiHQ. Alright guys, have a good one.